the New York Yankees taking on the Oakland Athletics at Yankee Stadium, Game 3, final game of the series. We start off with Healy double, or is it? Brett Gardner's throw comes to second. He's ruled safe at second, but after further review,
out.
Healy is out at second base. Then an error, and Aaron Judge, first career grand slam. He ties it with Mike Trout in home run lead. And then Gary Sanchez, Chris Davis dives, drops the ball. It is going to be a double, RBI double, which allows Ronald Torres to score. And after further review,
12th derby of the year for Sanchez.
it's
He's
ruled
now
not a
2 for 4.
catch,
Nice
and Gary
job.
Sanchez is safe at second. But Chris Davis redeems himself with this home run that puts the A's within 2 of the Yankees. But Brett Gardner seals the deal with this RBI double, which turns the game 9-5. Tune in next time to watch some more Yankees baseball.
Sometimes it's where you hit them, and boy, you're right. This is going to save Dellin Betances an appearance. You see Jason Shreve up immediately.